Sairam and welcome students. Today we will learn physical activity and leadership training chapter 6. Through physical activity, how can we become a leader or how can we face the challenges of the world that we are going to see in this chapter. Physical education is very important to take care of our body. At the same time, it teaches us many things in life, that is being disciplined. And when we are disciplined, we can do many things. We can do wonders. Yes. Now, the first point we are going to study is the qualities of leader. A leader is one who guides his team to the right path, who is the bridge between the management and the employees. So, we need to have some qualities which are different from all others. Everyone cannot be a leader, but everyone try to be a leader. So today we are going to discuss the qualities of a leader. First one is energetic. A leader should be energetic. If he is energetic, he will be happy to do the work throughout the day and help his team members. Second is friendly and affectionate. One who is able to be close to the team members and is able to love them and accept them can do wonders. So third is a decision maker. A person who can make a decision at the right place and at the right time can also become a good leader. Fourth is technically skilled. A leader should be technically skilled in whichever field he is a leader, whether he is a doctor, CA, or an engineer, or an artist, or a journalist, anything. He has to have the knowledge of that particular field. So it should be the best technically skilled person even in games. He should be technically skilled even in games. He or she has to have technical skill of that particular field. Now the fifth one is intelligence. It is required to survive in the world. Intelligence is required to survive in the world. One who uses his intelligence to the challenges of the world can always become a good leader. Now the sixth one is teacher. At times his team member may not know a particular thing, may not be able to do something that they have been assigned to do. The leader should be able to train them or teach them, so that we can say that he has become a good leader. Now seventh is creative. Creative, something different from all others. The leader is always different from others. He thinks differently. One who thinks differently is creative. Intelligent will always become a good teacher. Now, good health. This is very, very important. Even after having all the qualities, if a person do not have a good health, he will be not able to cope up, whether it is a field of education, medical, game, everywhere. The leader needs to have a good health, and that comes through physical exercises. Now the ninth one is dedicated. He or she, whoever, should be dedicated to the work, love the work, so that they can be able to help their team members. Now the 10th one is high motor capacity. The leader's brain should be acting faster than others. Before others think, the leader's brain starts thinking before others come out with a solution. The brain of a leader is ready with the solution. Now the 11th one is respectful. The leader respects each and every member in the team, listen to their problems and accept them as they are. Now the 12th one is loyal. Loyal, or we can say honesty. Loyalty or honesty is very, very important. There is no shortcuts to become a leader. One should be honest in his work, whatever he or she is doing. Now the 13th one is speaker. A leader should be a good speaker. A good speaker is one who is able to speak or place his words in front of others and prove that he is correct, is always a good speaker, and that is one of a good quality of a speaker. Now the last one, 14th, is social. Social here refers to who can be able to cope up in a surrounding with any and everybody. The place where the leader lives, the place where the leader is working, should be able to bridge the gap between many other people, and the presence of the leader would make everyone happy and socially active, taking part in various activity in the organization. So these are some of the qualities of a leader. All these qualities can be brought up with the help of physical education. So, Sai Ram, stay safe and stay healthy.